Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we are gonna teach you how to make some beautiful and amazing hairstyles. Are you guys excited for the same? So let's get started. Here you have to just secure your hair like this, get it beautifully partitioned in this manner, and you have to just make these beautiful braid-like patterns like this. This is gonna look damn pretty and you have to secure it with the help of the beautiful and lovely clutches. Beautifully securing your hair like this, what are we going to do? You have to just make it beautifully in this manner, get it done like this. Further, you have to just arrange it in this way and get the beautiful braids made on either side of the hair and then make it into this. You have to join them together. Further, let's see what are we going to do. Get this accessory and you have to just secure and curl your hair like this. Get it to the other side and make the beautiful thin braids. Beautiful, isn't it? Thank you.